Today, let us see the sources of contamination in cereals and their products. Cereals may have contamination from the soil, from the insects, and other sources. Freshly harvested cereals may contain thousands to millions bacteria per gram and hundreds to thousands mold spores per gram. And there is a possibility of contamination during the other process like blending and conditioning. For example, wheat flour may contain spores of coliform bacteria, flavobacterium, micrococcus, alkaligens, etc., fungus like aspergillus and penicillium. Wheat flour from market contains 100 to 106 bacteria per gram, 20 to 30 bacillus spores per gram, and 50 to 100 mold spores per gram. Cornmeal and flour contain several hundreds to thousands bacteria and mold per gram. The surface of the freshly baked bread when it is hot is absolutely nil in bacteria, but during cooling and wrapping there are several contamination of the bacteria and mold. During slicing, contamination may occur from the knives and from the wrapper and from the air. The contamination of cereals and the cereal products is of significant concern because of the presence of aflatoxin. And this aflatoxin is got from Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus. With regard to sugar and sugar products, the sucrose may be contaminated during the processing. Mainly the contamination is from the soil particles with bacteria and yeast, giving it a slimy texture. Contamination may come from the debris and from the troughs in which the sugarcane juice is added. There may be spores which are present in the sugarcane juice which are resistant to the high temperature. They are called thermophilus. During refining of sugar, contamination may occur from the equipment. Granulated sugar available in the market has low count of bacteria. Contamination comes from the intestines of the honeybee. In beekeeping, lot of antibiotics are used. Honey is the chief source for Clostridium botulinum. This is present in the canned foods where the can bulges because of botulinum. And this botulism, it affects the central nervous system and is fatal.